Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox no sound driver issue in your account. So if you want to fix this, first of all just go to the search section of your Windows and search here sound mixer. Sound mixer or like volume mixer, just write this down and you will be seeing an option like this one, sound mixer option. Just click on it, and after that you will be seeing all the output devices, input devices. Just make sure to click on reset and reset all the settings. And once you reset all the settings, try if your issue is fixed or not. And let's say that you are still facing the issue, so what you can do is just go to the search section again and write down here device manager. And once you write down device manager, open it and let it load. So on this section, like on this page, just go to the audio input and outputs, or you can just audio processing objects as well. Just open everyone, and from here you can just update the driver individually for all of them and try if your issue is fixed or not. And let's say that you are still facing the issue, so what you can do is just right click on it and uninstall device. Uninstall every single one, like these four of them, and in this section as well. And once you uninstall all of them, just restart your device, either it is laptop or PC. And once you restart your device, these drivers will be automatically reinstalled in your computer or PC or laptop. And once they are reinstalled, make sure to recheck, and hopefully your issue will be fixed related to the sound drivers in your Roblox account.